Magnetic bracket firmly attaches the device to refrigerator. Take out RCW 360 Pro, insert the probes, and then turn it on. Download Elitech iCold on iPhone or Android recommended, and then register account on Elitech iCold login app. Add RCW 360 Pro to Elitech iCold. Now Wi-Fi configuration begin. Activate Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your phone. Press the menu to enter the device information page like this. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Wi-Fi is successfully configured. The Bluetooth icon becomes Wi-Fi icon on the upper left corner of device. You can set parameters on app or web, such as alarms, limit, recording interval, etc.